How's it going, YouTube? I got a lot for this video. I'm trying to make it pretty quick, but talk about these vices I got. Got this a couple weeks ago for about $10 at the antique store. And I did my best restoring it. Never restored nothing like this, but I think I did alright. Should have used some enamel paint, but I didn't. It's a Reed. It's a USA. It says it somewhere, but yeah, right there. It's pretty old. And I got this Bessey vise for $25 from somebody, and it looked pretty rough when I got it. This was all dented up, and jaws were rusted out, and cleaned it up a little bit. It didn't go over the top with it, but if you can tell, I added some metallic green. Probably won't stay, but it looks pretty cool. And I showed these in my last video, but just a second. Got a 10-inch drill press. It's in a kind of rough shape. The belt's dry rotted, but it works just fine. Didn't have a chuck key either, but I only paid $20 for it. Also got this bench grinder from him for $20. Yeah, it works just fine. And let's get into the tools. Start off with these Stanley made in the USA screwdrivers from Ace Hardware. I only got these because I seen a video from Catus Maximus, and thought it was kind of cool they made USA screwdrivers again. They're not the best quality. They were only $5, so even if they ain't no good, it was worth it. Also, I got room to open it. Just got this from Amazon. Tap and die set. Had to add a piece of foam so the stuff would quit falling. I think this one's alloy steel, so sorry. There we go. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. Yeah, it's a ABN 60 piece. And keep going with the new stuff. Got some angled diagonal cutters from Matco, 7.5 inch or 8, maybe 8. These are some 8-inch needle nose, not made in the USA. Got my one pair of multi-purpose long nose pliers, needle nose. It's different from regular needle nose. Get this open. Sorry. There we go. So you can use it on wires. Great finish. Fujiya. It's got the spring. Handles are pretty soft. Love Fujiya. That's why I keep buying their stuff. Got some cheap hose picks from Astro. I already used these once. I think they're $10 on Amazon. And some new old stock Armstrong screwdrivers from eBay. And as you know, they don't make these no more. I got a Phillips 1 and 2. They were like $13, $14. I think they're still on there too, so. Alright, and this circle cutter from Harbor Freight was just like spur of the moment, and I bought it. And let's get into the flea market stuff I got today. With these sanding belts. It was a 3-pack at once, but it was missing one. This for $1. It's great if you got a belt sander. Diablo's pretty good. Just a little bit holder I got for $1. Nothing special. And this is what I was happy about, these cans. These are all full or either full or almost full. $1 a piece. Rust cutter. Restore finish. This stuff ain't cheap if you buy it at the store. I love these old 3-in-1 cans. I got 2 of the same ones, and they're completely full. And what's cool about them is, you know, the newer ones, plastic. So, I'd much rather use the vintage can. I think this is pretty much the same stuff. Gunk super oil. It's almost full. Some honing oil. Probably won't ever use this, but it had a cool can. Case, XX. Also with this. Kearney wax. Don't know if I'll ever need it, but the can looked cool. Got these last weekend, but they were solid rust. You couldn't even read the label. Cleaned them up a little bit. Yeah, end cutters. I've seen a few videos on people restoring these lately. These are, you can barely read it with. It looks like someone's cut grooves in it, because it doesn't look like it came like that. Yeah, it's going to be a fun project. Some Wizard hose clamp pliers. Shouldn't take too much to clean those up. USA. Some CT company from Crescent. Those shouldn't be too hard either. And a couple adjustable 6-inch wrenches. This Utica one's pretty rusty, but it was $1. A Crescent one. Didn't need any more adjustable wrenches, but don't need most of this stuff. But yeah, that's all I got. Thank you. Subscribe. Have a good day.